10-degree flaps going in. Whiteman Tower, Cessna 8280 Papa is at the 118 and 5 junction.
Cessna Papa, runway 12, 100 at 5, clear to land.
Alright, 80 Papa, clear to land, runway 12. I'm going to wait until 85 knots here, and we're going to go ahead and set some more in. We're really going to slow down, going to lose a little bit of airspeed, a little altitude, and what we're going to do is we're going to take a wide base out here.
All night, whiteman and ground, roger.
Alright, so it's saying we're a little low on the poppy there, so we're fine. We'll just intersect the angle.
So 182 all night, whiteman ground, runway 12 the Alpha.
Alright, we're there.
Let's start bringing some power up.
Bit of a tailwind.
We're doing alright. Bringing that power out all the way, we're fast here.
Ship up, taxi to Vista, have a nice day.
Take care. Hey, Sierra Papa.